Hello friends, I am today here with a rarest recipe of asparagus leaves fry. We need the tender leaves of asparagus for this preparation. The other ingredients are 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 1 green chilli, some curry leaves, a small piece of onion, 2 pinches of cumin seeds, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, salt as per need. How to clean the asparagus I will show you. Hold the asparagus tender leaf like this and pull it from top to bottom like this, so that you will get only the asparagus leaves, and remove this stem and don't use it for cooking because it may have small thorns on it which may prick on your throat. You need to grind all these ingredients roughly. I am going to grind it. You can put the onion like that itself, and just a rough rotation of the mixie will do. No need to grind it into fine paste. We have heated up a pan on the stove, and now totally washed and clean tender asparagus is put directly. Asparagus leaves are directly put on the frying pan. You can wash it either before cleaning it or after cleaning it. It should be washed thoroughly. Now we will make a small gap in between, and this is the grinded mixture that has to be kept in the middle, and if you wish you can cover it with the leaves so that this particular paste gets cooked very well. Also the leaves gets cooked, and it doesn't need much cooking time. We will just pour very little water, and this recipe doesn't require any sort of oil. Just sprinkle very little, 2 pinches of salt at top of it. Cover it. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Open the lid after 2 minutes and stir it and mix the asparagus very well with the paste. You have to mix it thoroughly. I kept it closed again for the next 2 minutes. 4 minutes is more than enough for the asparagus to get cooked. It doesn't need much cooking time. It requires time for cleaning. Now our tasty asparagus is ready. Remember to put only very little salt, otherwise it will be more. Now switch off the stove and your hot and healthy asparagus fry is ready here. And this asparagus fry which I have taken in this quantity is sufficient for 2 people to eat. If your family has more members, you need to clean more asparagus and make it. This is a very healthy dish. Try it if you have asparagus at your home. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like this recipe. Thank you.